Okay, welcome back. Well, I've crashed my drone a few times when I've been out on my mountain biking. And I've been lucky enough just to find it along the trail. But today I thought I would give it a go trying out the Find My feature. So my intention is I'm going to walk along the bank, let it crash into some trees on the side and then record the results so you know that if it happens to you in future, what to expect. First thing we need to do is set it up. So we need to go to settings, click on that, go down to voice settings, select that, find my hover and then switch it on and you'll hear a warning.
Find Me mode is enabled in the event of an unexpected landing. The audio broadcast will play repeatedly until you press a button.
And that's it, and then we just go back and we can fly as normal. Okay, the drone is following me now in sidetrack. It's going to hit the bush. When it crashes, you've got to wait a minute before it starts to emit the beeping sound.
Press any button to stop broadcasting sound.
Now, another thing you need to remember is that if you crash the drone, with the Hover Pro and the ProMax, it does have a tendency sometimes for the battery to come out of the actual drone. So what I've done with mine, as you've probably seen before, I've got this little 6-inch yellow Velcro strap which goes through the sides of the drone, and then that secures the battery in place. It may not stop the battery coming out all the time, but at least it gives me a little bit of extra hope that the battery is going to stay in the event that it does crash. So now I'm just going to fly the drone manually, just down in that direction really, and then just land it and then use the Find My part of the app to locate it. Right, so I've flown the drone off, not far, 50 metres or so, down into the grass. The grass is quite long so you can't actually see the drone. So I'm going to use the Find My device section of the app and try and locate it. So once you click on that, it's going to show you your location and your drone's last location. So I'm going to zoom into the actual map. At the moment I'm facing away from it, so I need to have the blue line facing like that, and I'm just going to walk down towards where it should be. At this point I forgot to press screen record, and there it is. Yep, there it is. Right spot on to where the drone app said. So this time I'm using the beacon to fly the drone. I'm going to land it in the grass and then use the beacon to locate it again. So you swipe down, go to Find My Hover. Gives you two options of hover's location and scan for location. So we're going to click on View Hover's location, and you can see from there that it's 16 meters away from me. So as I start walking in the general direction of where the blue line is, you can see that it's decreasing the distance, and then as I come across, there's the drone in front of me. Okay, well, it worked great. If you found it useful, give me the thumbs up and the subscribe, and if there's anything else you want me to try out, let me know, and I'll catch you again soon. Thanks very much.